A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Leave Babylon, leave Babylon, leave Babylon and come. Leave Babylon, leave Babylon, leave Babylon and come. Hey, remember say, it a go just take 1 hour for Babylon mash up. So, come out her before it's too late. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, I invite you to do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation chapter 18 from verse 1 to verse 24. After this, we see one next angel come down from heaven. He have enough power and in bright light light up the earth. Him shout out with one powerful voice, mash up Babylon, the powerful city, mash up. She turn one yard for demon, one hideout for every wicked spirit, one roost for every kind of dirty bud. Cause all of the country them in the world drink the wine we make them do all kind of sexing like her. The kingdom upon the earth do all kind of nasty sexing with her. And the business people them in the world get rich from the whole heap of sexing where she do. Then me hear one another voice from heaven say, come out her, me people. So none have to take part in her sin them. So none of the judgment we go catch her no have to catch unu. Cause her enough sin them pile up till they catch her heaven. And God remember her wickedness. Do her back the same thing she do other people. The sitting them where she do other people, pay her back 2 times. And the cup of wine where she mix give other people, give her back 2 cup full. She big up herself and talk about how she powerful and do all kind of sexing. Punish her and make her suffer the same way. Cause she said to herself, a me rule, me are the queen, my husband not dead. So me will never have nothing to ball about. Sake of that, in a one day, terrible sufferation, I go take her. Some more people are go dead, people are go alarm ball. Enough starvation, I go depend the land. And fire, I go burn her up. Cause the Lord God will judge her. He powerful. When the kingdom on earth, we take part in all kind of sexing with her. And we live how she live. See the smoke where come from the fire where burn her up. Them a go alarm ball for her. Them we stay far from her. Cause them afraid say what happened to her. Might a catch them too. And them a go ball and say, whoa, whoa, look pan the big city. Look what happened to Babylon, the powerful city. In a 1 hour, God judge you and the whole city mash up. The business people them in the world are go holla and ball fear cause nobody now buy them goods no more. Goods like gold, silver, deer stone and pearl. Nobody now go buy them linen, them deer purple cloth, them silk cloth, or them red cloth. Nobody now go buy this sitting them we make out of sweet wood or elephant teeth, deer wood, bronze, iron, and marble. Nobody now go buy them cinnamon, spice, incense, deer oil we then call myrrh, or them sweet powder we then call frankincense. Them wine, olive oil, special flour and wheat. Nobody now go buy them. Them cow, sheep, ass and buggy, and the people where they take on slave. Nobody now go buy them. The business people them where they in the world, I go say, all of the nice in them when you love and when you well want, gone from you. All of you rich food, you good life, and you fancy sitting them. You lose all of them and you can't get them back. The business people them we sell all of them sitting there. And we get rich off her. I got turn up far from her. Cause them afraid say the sufferation will lick her might have reach them too. Them a go all and ball and say trouble for the big city. We always dress up in a nice linen, purple and red clothes, a nice shiny gold, deer stone and pearl jewel. Cause in a 1 hour, all of the sitting them will make you rich, get mashed up. And every ship captain and everybody will walk on the ship. The people them will travel in a boat. The sailor them and all who make money off of the sea stand far from her. When they see the smoke, we are come from the fire, we are burn her up. Them ball out. No city ever powerful like that one, yeah. Them fling dot on their head and alarm ball and say, whoa, look on the big city. Everybody where they have ship out at sea get richer far. In a 1 hour, the whole city mash up. Everybody in a heaven. Uno fi happy sake of what happened to her. All of God people, if apostle and prophet, uno fi happy. Cause God judge her and punish her for all we should do no. Then, one powerful angel pick up one big rock stone. We come in like the stone that they use for grind grain. Him fling it in the sea and say, same like how the rock stone ya get fling in the sea hard. I same so Babylon, the powerful city, I go get lit down hard. And nobody now go can find her. No more music now go play in you again. No harp, no flute, no trumpet. Nobody we do no kind of trade we ever walk in you again. Nobody we ever hear no grain or grind again in your city. No more lamplight we ever shine in your city again. No more wedding we ever happen in your city again. You did have the best businessman them in the world. You use your obia to trick up all the people them in the world. God punish Babylon cause she did killing people and him profit them. And all the people will get killed all over the world. And Babylon kill them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.